We just took a helicopter to the exact spot where they filmed Jurassic Park. We flew low and fast next to green cliffs and over hidden valleys. Just make sure you take your medication if you get motion sickness. And there it is. This is informally known as Jurassic Falls, the exact same spot that was filmed in the movie. This 400-foot waterfall really does take your breath away, and even more so if you're a huge Jurassic Park fan like Meg is. We booked this tour with Island Helicopters Kauai.